big salute to all the great Corona warriors. Myself Saraswati from A Helping Heart Foundation. A Helping Heart was founded by a kind, caring and generous person, Mr. Pawan Singh Rathore, who is well known as a writer, educationalist, social worker and committed and passionate to serve the humanity. A Helping Heart is a way to help person to person. It is not only an NGO, but it is a feeling of many people who wants to help others and bring smile on their faces from a little helps. COVID-19 is the biggest global crisis of our lifetime. The lockdown brought on by COVID-19 have been a tough time for the poorest section of the society. In our fight against COVID-19 pandemic, the person graced with their presence and lead from the front, we call them as a Corona warriors. Corona warriors have been working since the COVID-19 outbreak. A Helping Heart salutes all the Corona warriors, doctors, nurses, policemen, cleaning staff, media, social workers, public, etc. for their great contribution towards our nation and save lives by giving their time and effort. To show gratitude to these frontline heroes who are stepping out and helping us to survive this global COVID-19 pandemic, A Helping Heart is honoring them by presenting an International Corona Warriors Award, the Certificate of Honor. Come, let us dedicate our time to salute these real heroes and honor them for their outstanding effort in this critical situation. Once again, congratulations to all the brave souls. We all of us salutes you for your dedication, compassion and commitment towards your services. You are the unsung heroes of our nation. A Helping Heart is working selflessly towards the betterment of the society. Let us come forward with a helping heart and help more and more needy ones. They need just a little help from our side. A little help with a little smile gives a meaning to a human life. Now joining open for membership in our organization in all districts and states of India. Let us join hands together to serve humanity and let us fight together COVID-19. Maintain social distance, wear mask, sanitize your hands, stay safe, stay healthy. Keep supporting us, A Helping Heart.